Buddha Shakyamuni said everything is impermanent, and birth, aging, sickness, and death are unavoidable, so nothing can make us fuss. In fact, Buddha Shakyamuni had clearly revealed the truth of impermanence. What has been gathered will be dispersed. What has been accumulated will be exhausted. What is born will die. What has been high will be brought low. Thus, in the face of hardship and failure, true Buddhists will not bury themselves in despair. The Buddha has attained the greatest state of enlightenment. Even if we only receive a drop from his ocean of wisdom, this will benefit our lives tremendously. These doctrines of wisdom are very rare and precious. We must aspire to not lose them in this life and in many lives yet to come. To ensure this precious wisdom stays with us life after life, we must practice diligently. This is why I advocate the practice of preliminaries.